This is supposed to be my birthday wig, so let's fix it. Let's do it. Now, if you thought I wasn't gonna eat this wig up, yup. This is a 13 by 499J 24 inch. I tinted the lace and it came pre-plucked, but I did a little extra. These are my baby hairs. I put the wig on. It's already giving scalp. I'm about to eat this wig up. So I went ahead and cut my ear tabs out, and I thought that you really can't see this lace on my face. And I need this wig laid, so I'm gonna add about 3 layers of glue today. And take your time when you putting your wig in place. Make sure it's lining up right. And you know your glue is good if it's already stuck on your head with no band. We're gonna go ahead and add that on in. Tie it down. And while it's doing that, I always go ahead and start wetting the hair and getting the curls together. Yes, ma'am. I use gel to define the curls, and this is what I'm giving the girls. Baby, I took the band off, and you see it. Well, you don't, but you do. I use scissors to cut slits in it first, and then I go ahead and get in it with a razor. Take your time. I spray some more got to be on mine, and I tie it down again. And make sure you tap it in. I'm back to it. I did my edges and my sideburns, and it's my birthday, so you know I'm slaying. Lace is gone, curls are there, density in the hair. I love it over here. Go ahead and use my code, and y'all already know the link is in my bio. Happy birthday to me. I look so lovely.